Welcome back. Today is day 28 of this 30 days Leetcode challenge, and today's question is first unique number. So we are given a queue of integers, and you need to retrieve the first unique integer in the queue. So we have to implement a class first unique, which has these three methods. Well, the first one is constructor, which takes an integer of numbers, and later on we can add to those numbers using this add method. And show first unique is the method which returns the value of first unique element, unique integer in the queue. And if there are no unique elements, then it will return -1. So let's say uh, if we look at this first unique integer, this example. So initially we are given 2, 3 and 5, and if you ask for first unique, then obviously 2 will be returned because that is the first element that is present, that is unique in the list. Now if you add 5, now 5 is present as a duplicate, but 2 is still the first unique element. But if you add 2 as a duplicate element, then now the first duplicate element will become 3. First unique element will become 3. And if 3 is also present added as a duplicate, then in that case the output expected would be -1. So uh, this so for this question, what I'll be doing is I'll be just these are the three methods, the constructor and two methods that needs to be implemented. So for this question, I'll be just copy pasting. I'll be pasting the code that was accepted and just walk you through what I've done. So I basically created a internal node class, small, and it stores a value. And for easy comparison between two nodes, I've implemented the equals and hash code method. So and equals basically compares it with the value. So this equals and hash code are required for easy removal from linked list. So all the unique elements that have already been found and that are present only once will be stored as part of the linked list. And to quickly access any particular node in the linked list, I have created this hash map, which stores a value and reference to the node uh, in the linked list. So we can easily check and basically remove any element whenever we find a duplicate. So the first time when we are finding an element for the first time, it will be inserted to this unique elements linked list and also to the hash map. But the second time when we find the same element, we'll remove it from this linked list and add it to the hash set. So this hash set will store the duplicates. So from here on onwards, we'll be just checking whether if the element is already present in the duplicates, then we have already found a duplicate, so we need not process it. But if it is if the element is coming in for the first time, then it will be added to the unique elements list. So initially, it should not be present in the unique elements. And for first, we'll be checking in the unique element ref itself. So let's get started. In this constructor, what I'm doing is over all the numbers that are passed to us, I'm calling just the add method that is already required to be implemented. So I'm reusing this add method for each of the numbers, and show first unique will just check if the element is present in the hash map or not, and uh, if we find that sorry, this is the linked list. So for the first element from the linked list, we can directly access it in constant time complexity using the get first method, and we can directly access the value of that particular node. And if you find that the size of this linked list is 0, then we will be returning -1. Now for the add method, we'll first check if the value that has been passed, If that is not present in the duplicates, then that value becomes a concern to us. So it may be present in the unique elements ref, which is the hash map, or it might not be present. If it is not present, then we'll add it the first time to both. We'll create a node and add it to the unique element ref map, and also to the unique elements linked list. And if the element was already present in this, then we have to remove it from both the list and add it to the duplicates. So that is what I'm doing here. So if the element is not present in the map, I'm basically creating a node and adding it to the linked list and adding it here to the map. But if the element is already present in the map, then I'm still creating the node, but this time for removing it from the unique elements linked list, and also from the unique elements map. So here I can just directly pass the key, and I'll be adding it to the duplicates. So if you so this is how the entire thing can be implemented. And yeah, if I submit the solution, it has been accepted. So but they do not seem to have enough accepted submissions. So do try it out and see if you get if this works for you. So thank you guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel to be notified about the last 2 days of the problems. So we are already through with 4 weeks. So 28 days. Today is the 28th. So thank you guys.